Hello, and welcome back to the basement for, I guess, season 2, most of which will take place in a library, where I'm going to turn this mess and a whole lot of spare parts, some new wood and plumbing, into a bookshelf DIY version of this. This is the RAYN EdRack, and I was involved in the initial production of this and still help to run the system on a daily basis. And it's amazing. It's designed for education, and I want something for actual use to grow stuff for my kitchen. I can't fit an EdRack in here, and I don't need all the fancy stuff that it has on it. So I got the parts that are used to build it, and I'm going to make a Craftsman-inspired NFT hydroponic system in my library. It's going to take me most of the winter, and I will be designing and engineering on the fly. One of the things is, I don't have an example here. The shelves are going to be slat shelves instead of a flat piece of wood. Just for aesthetics, I like the look. But it'll also allow me to build, as the slats are coming this way, to build a box in there for the plumbing to run through. I'll be using a jig system on my workbench downstairs to make all the shelves the same. And I will be installing into here. I've already started by building the window frame. I didn't show that because you've already seen me do that, if I recall, and it's not very fancy. The one thing I've had to do is, this normally sticks out. It's flat, so that I can butt the end of the bookshelf, which is going to be a box to give it stability and a nice look, directly up against it, no space in there. So hope you join me for the ride. It's going to be hopefully exciting, definitely frustrating, and we'll see what comes out of it.